Hello, this is gonna be a tutorial on linear search, linear search algorithm. So let me start. Okay, so I'm gonna create an array, and I'm gonna name this array numbers, and this array is gonna have values, integer values inside of it. Now these numbers have to be sorted out. So meaning in order from ascending to descending, or the opposite, from descending to ascending. So I'm just gonna pick some values that are already sorted out. Okay, then I'm going to initialize or create an integer I, and I will initialize that later in the loop, in the for loop. Okay, and I am going to create a key, integer key, and equal that, or set it equals to 0. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is create a for loop that will print out the values of the arrays for the user to see. So I'm going to set I equals to 0. I is less than numbers dot length. And then I'm going to increment I. This is where I output the numbers. So the numbers are numbers array. Okay, we have numbers. Now I'm going to check if everything is running okay before I move on further. Okay, so okay. So next thing that I'm going to do is prompt the user to enter in the value that is presented to them. Say key equals So the next thing that I'm going to do now is create my linear algorithm or method. Now this method is going to be inside the driver class. So we'll say public static int linear search, and I'm going to pass in the array, so int array numbers int key, and I'm going to return -1. So the whole concept of linear search is that it will search for the value that the user has put in or has chose, or however you want to explain it. So let's say I pick 45. Let's say I pick 45, right? So linear search, as the word linear, I'm sure you already know what that means. So it will search in a linear fashion. So it will start from the beginning all the way to the end. So it will search through the array from the beginning. So from 2, 4, 7, 10, 11, 32, 45, 87. So when it sees or excuse me, so when the key is found, it'll stop the search. So I mean that's basically what linear search is. It just searches in a linear fashion. So yeah, I mean it's not the most efficient way, and it also requires that the the values have to be ordered again from ascending to descending. So what I'm going to do now is create a for loop equals to 0, I is less than augment, and then I'm going to increment I, and then inside this loop, what I'm going to do is have an if statement. So if key or if numbers array numbers I equals to is equals to key, and then what it'll do is return I, and we already have our return -1, and that's basically that it means that it has not found the value that is inside the array. So yeah, let's give it a shot and see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna put in 87. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so we're gonna have a key, let's say a key index, and this will check if we have, it will check basically if the values, or if whatever, basically it'll check the method and check if everything in there is running properly, or if it hasn't, if there's no value that matches the array, and we'll say that. So if it runs properly, it'll say, or it will output it'll output what we put in, and if it doesn't find the value that we put in, it'll output it has not found the value. So I'm going to equal that to linear search algorithm or method. So pass in numbers, and key. I meant to do an if statement. Okay, so if key index is equals to -1, meaning that it has not found, or the user has not put in the required, should I say, the value that is not in the array. So say if key index is equals to -1, output, it has not found the key. So we say key plus was not found. Then we're going to have a else statement. Where the case is that we found the key. So let's say your key is now we try that again. Why is this giving me an error? No. So I'm going to put in again 87, and here we are. It says your key is 87. I'm going to run that again. And I'm going to put in a number that's not there, so let's say 8. There it is, it says 8 was not found. So linear search is pretty straightforward. Again, what linear search is, or the algorithm for linear search, what we create a method, we pass in the array, and pass in the key. Now remember, the key is originally initialized to 0, or excuse me, not to 0, but it's whatever the person inputs, and you have to have the user see what the values are before they put it in. And then once we have that inside our method, we have a for loop. Now this for loop will go through the it'll loop through the array, and here we say if numbers I is equal to key, and then it will return I, and if it doesn't, it will return -1. And down here at the main method, we have a key index, and we're going to equal that to linear search. Or we're going to set it to linear search. And we're going to have numbers and key inside. Of course, as the method. And we're going to say if key index is equals to -1. So meaning that it has not found the value that is inside of the array. It'll output the key was not found, and else. So else, if it doesn't equal to -1, it will output the key that you put in. So yeah, that's basically it. This is pretty straightforward. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video, and signing out.